I'm gonna fix this real quick. All right. Alone in my room for the first time in years. And as I close my eyes, the only thing I can hear is the sound of the girl next door singing. Outside there are racketeers selling souvenir t-shirts that read that the world of the world nears. But in between their screams and the echoes in the street is the sound of a girl next door singing. Singing, golden heart, no, don't let me down. Singing, I need you, yeah, need you around. Singing that you fit me so perfectly. Me and the girls next door at 8 feet. All is locked inside creating, and their basements sculpting, painting, chasing the beauty they're gestating, when all I'm appreciating is the inspiration fading from a voice that I hear wavering in the sound of the girls next door singing. Singing, golden heart, no, don't let me down. Singing, I need you, yeah, need you around. Singing that you fit me so perfectly. Me, the girls next door at 8 feet. In the streets, the children playing, going in the corners, praying on the weak and lonely, hiding their head, and the brave they die in their bed, and now making their plans, and the rich are washing their hands, and the horses crack their whips while the strippers shake their hips. But I can't keep track of it all, cause there's a voice coming on so strong, shaking windows, rattling the walls. It's the sound of the girl next door.